Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete continue watching on Netflix app in 2021. Very easy to change this and edit it. All you have to do is go over to the Netflix application and open that up. What you want to then do is just scroll down till you see your continue watching. Once you see your continue watching, all you have to do is click on the three dots under the movie or TV show that you want to remove from the continue watching. So let's just say if I want to remove Mindhunter right here, all I'm going to do is click on the three dots right below it. And then you'll see an option at the bottom here, remove from row. So you just click on remove from row and then remove. It will then remove that show from your continue watching. And you could do this for any one of these that you have here. So you can keep everything more organized. So you just have the videos and movies that you want to watch there. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to remove stuff from your continue watching. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.